Here we have a 22 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Eco Blue Trail. Now this vehicle comes with the 16-inch gloss black alloy wheels, as you can see just down there. We also have the grey matte exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We've got the Raptor style Ford front grille. As a look at that front end, making our way around to the passenger side, you'll then find we have the trail stickers along the bottom of the front doors. We also have the mud flaps on this vehicle, colour coded door handles and door mirrors. Just take a look inside the back using this side door which slides. You'll find we have all these shelving inside of here. Let's close that back up and then make our way around to the back of the vehicle. You'll find we have the rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We also have the Transit Custom badging on the left side of the door. Let's open up the back so you can see it from this angle. You'll find we have plenty of space inside of here. Taking a step back so you can see just that as well, and then a closer look again at the shelving. So closing the back doors, and then we'll make our way back round to the driver's side now, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the front, just coming into the interior, you'll find the leather seats. We do have the odd foldable armrest here for the driver's seat as well. 3 seats inside of here. We have the electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find we have a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity up there. Got the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the clutch and then turn the vehicle on. You'll find the volume buttons here on the left-hand side, along with the cruise control and speedometer there as well. Dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the digital speedometer in the centre. We then have the main entertainment screen just here as well. Plenty of features on here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but you'll also find that you have the Bluetooth audio just there. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls, along with the mobile apps. Onto the settings, you'll find further features which we can scroll through, just like so. Further down from there, you've got the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. Again, we have another 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. 6-speed manual gearbox. If you put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and rear parking sensors in the top right. Back into neutral, just like so. You also have the manual handbrake down there. Rear view camera as well up here. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Transit Custom Trail. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm about to fire up the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, now being off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the volume buttons here on the left hand side, along with the speedometer and the cruise control. We are just approaching a junction, so we're slowing down, putting our right indicator on. We're going to wait until it's safe to turn right, so just wait for these cars to go past. So turning right, continuing on our way, getting up to speed, going through all the gears, nice and smoothly. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We've got the leather seats as well throughout the interior, which are really comfortable. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features on there as well. You would have seen them all on the photos. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox. We do have the different drive modes. You can quickly press this button to switch between normal or the eco drive mode as well. Now we are just about to take another right hand turn. So we're going to put our right indicator on again. We're going to slow down and then make sure it's safe to turn right. So going down into second, turning right, again accelerating into third, and then again into fourth with no issues whatsoever, into fifth now. We also have a rear view camera as well, which is quite handy in a van. We are again, so we're going to go down a few gears, slow down, put our left indicator on as we're approaching the dealership, onto the dealership, and then I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1, pardon the brakes, put the car into reverse, reverse camera appears on the screen with the parking sensors, back into neutral, and then again into first with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.